What's up guys? When it comes to out there concepts, Apple really shies away from pushing design boundaries beyond the imaginable. It's safe to say they are the tech trendsters, especially among smartphone manufacturers that mimicked the iPhone's concept across the board. While the Johnny exit, slowing iPhone sales, and increasingly impressive competition have caused many to question Apple's ability to pilot innovation, a wild redesign of the flagship could very reinforce the company's reasoning title for best smartphones. Though rumors surrounding the iPhone 11 don't imply the revolutionary design update yet, we are bound to face a handset unlike anything we have seen before in the near future. With Apple and other top smartphone makers steadily releasing new models every year, who knows what lengths engineers will take to outshine competition. A concept artist, Hassan Kaimak, may have just presented Apple with a possible path: an edgeless iPhone, as in an iPhone with no bezels nor notches. It's crazy, right? That's impossible. The iPhone Edge, preposterous, except it isn't. The device featured in the concept video doesn't look like realistic but proposes actual specifications too. Hassan Kaimak imagines the iPhone 11 Edge with a 6.4-inch Full HD display, quad camera on the back, a hidden camera on the front, and an Apple 5nm A14 chipset 8 times faster than the already stellar A12 Bionic. We are calling it a now. A phone like iPhone 11 Edge will be in our hands one day. Just not any day relatively soon, probably. Display makers have already figured out flexible OLED screens, and they will only get more malleable with time. Speakers can be built into displays and small sensor cameras can be hidden behind the screen. This device is completely convincible, even if it's not quite ready for mass production yet. Still not convinced? Check out the concept video for yourself. The link is given in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.